With PDP-BJP alliance government soon to be sworn in, Congress leader Anand Sharma termed it as an unholy alliance and called it opportunism between the two parties.
मिलजुल के सरकार बनाएंगे जिसको हम कह सकते हैं एक अनहोली अलायंस है। कहाँ पीडीपी उनकी जो आज तक उनकी जो विचार रहे हैं, जो पोजीशन उन्होंने ली है अलग अलग विषयों पे, और दूसरी तरफ आरएसएस और बीजेपी। अब ये तो लोगों को देखना है कि अवसरवादिता है दोनों दलों की।
Lashing out at RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat on his controversial comment on Mother Teresa, Sharma said RSS is involved in insulting and belittling people. The Congress leader further condemned this and termed it as unfair and unfortunate.
Well, the RSS chief should not say things which add to the disquiet and reconfirm that RSS as an organization is hell-bent upon insulting and belittling people who believe in other faiths and religions in a country like India, which has been the original melting pot of civilization and home to all the major religions. Any religious leader like Mother Teresa, when they do public service, it is with a noble intent. And to claim by default that only the religious leaders which are endorsed by the RSS, when they do public service, they are doing in a selfless spirit, and all the others are selfish, and they do with a purpose or with the intent to convert. It is unfair, it is unfortunate and condemnable.
Powered by NNIS.